Hi YouTube, and welcome to my channel. It's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, and today I'm doing a wall with man like Stair, man like Rago, and we're just going to do a nice little production wall, some pieces going down on a crisp blue background. Okay, so I've got the outline up. They've even chucked on a character in the corner. It's the hobgoblin from Spider-Man, not Batman, Spider-Man. And you can see you guys are cracking on with their pieces in the corner. Got the tunes playing. Okay, so just bringing you an update. I've started doing a crazy fill on my letters. You can see some of the fill there. We've got the base coat on the character, so we're going to work in the detail after I've got some of my fill done. I've just got the M&S left. You can see Stair's doing his thing, Rago's doing a fluorescent thing down the bottom, so I'll show you their work now. So yeah, we got most of the base fill done. Gone for a really trippy M, and we've got the character filled in base. And so I'm just adding the 3D now. So you can see I started with the black and the red 3D, and I'm just going to go around the D and the E and get those filled in. Stair's actually gone home, so we don't have any tunes anymore, unfortunately, but he's finished. Rago's over here still doing his thing. He's got a nice fluorescent fill going on. It's nice and bright in this dark tunnel, and the blue definitely complements the orange fills. So yeah, we've got some nice bright pieces going on. So yeah, we got some nice bright pieces popping off, and yeah, it won't be long till I've finished. I'm going to be a little while still. So that's it, YouTube. We got to the end of the video. Just a quick one today. Yeah, just a fun little trip out. Brought my friends to this new spot, and yeah, we've all done our pieces and it's time to go. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.